Let's meet our fighter from the blue corner.
Check. From the blue corner, the champion of the WBC Asia Continental Super Featherweight Championship from Bangkok, Thailand. Let's give a big basmati welcome to Arnon Eubank! Ladies and gentlemen, from the red corner, the pride of Masbate, Philippines, the challenger, Gio Santino Santissima!
Santissima, pangarap ng bata pa yan, makatulong na sa ring kahit siya ay mabilangan ng ilan. Sa hirap ng buhay man ay patuloy na lumaban, bigyan ang ama o na magbibilang sa kalaban. Nakapagbunuan, suntok man ay magtamaan, malakas na ulan ay hindi pinanghinaan ng looban. Kaya ba't ay pilit na tinao, di pinanghinaan, di pinagsilang mga kuko. Bigyan ng lakas na taas at basbas, walang hupay na pag-ensayo hanggang lumakas. Pilipinas ang dala sa kada laban ay di panghihinaan, mas lalong katalasan ang mata. Galing ang roll, mas bate, hindi galuga, isang musmos na buhay, di hinayaang masakal. Lakan na lang atrasan hanggang sa makuha ang yun ni Gio Santino Santissima. Di atrasan lumang hamon, kahit anong ang gago, sabay sa laban at sa pagsubok. Hindi mabuto ang nagpapalang dalang kamao, kung sino man nasasalo. Buong araw ay mas bate, Gio Santino Santissima. Di papadaig sa loob ng ring, magpapayanig, Gio Santino Santissima. Di atrasan lumang hamon ng buhay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, at this time we'd like to ask you to please rise for the playing of our national anthems. Firstly, the
Ayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningnig. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw na luwalhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming likaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Maraming salamat, Maris P. Esparago. Ayang gabi, kaninyong tanan, Masbate! At mga Filipinos and boxing fans sa buong mundo, mabuhay! We are coming to you live from the Masbate Lagoon here in Matayo, Kataingan, Masbate in the amazing Philippines. As tonight, Antonio Chico's ATK Promotions in cooperation with Ako Bicol Party List, Film and Era Resources Corporation, and Philippine Gold Processing and Refining Corporation. Also New Star Resort and Casino and Newport World Resort proudly present Bakbakan sa Masbate 2. This championship bout is sanctioned by the World Boxing Council President Mauricio Sulaiman. Timekeeper at the bell, Kim Donna. Supervisor in charge at ringside, Kenner So. physician, Dr. Francis Leo Arellano. Judges scoring this bout on a 10-point must system at ringside. Ed Nobleza, Oliver Garcia, and Salvador Lopez. And when the bell rings, your third man in the ring, the man in charge, referee Gerald Tomoda. And now, fight fans, here in Masbate, Philippines, it is the moment of truth. It is time for your main event of the evening. 12 rounds for the WBC Asia Continental Super Featherweight Championship. Now, let's meet the fighters. Firstly, fighting out of the red corner to my right tonight, wearing the red, black, and gold. He is the challenger. He weighed in at 129.8 pounds. Fight record, 23 wins, 7 losses, no draws, 19 wins by knockout. He hails from right here in Aurora, Masbate, Philippines. Here is Gio Santissima. And his opponent fighting out of the blue corner, tonight wearing the colors of Thailand, he is the champion. He also weighed in at 129.8 pounds. Fight record, 14 wins, 4 losses, 5 victories by knockout. He hails from Bangkok in the Kingdom of Thailand. Let's have a warm Masbate welcome for the WBC Asia Continental Super Featherweight Champion, Arnon Yupai. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, titles on the line, 12 rounds. Here is Gerald Tomoda with the final instructions.
Gio, this is for WBC Continental. May I command at all time? Protect yourself at all time and don't do any fouls. Right, good luck.
Aluan mo ko sila kung mga pamilihan mas masipatan din. Ito bala, kaya ko na bala. Lampas ng pagting ito. Matras